Welcome to Eternal Pro. Let's take a quick look at how easy it is to integrate your practice with Lawcus. First, log into your Eternal dashboard. Here, you can see your clients and where each one is in their estate planning journey. To connect Lawcus, simply hover over Integrations in the left nav and click Lawcus. Now, click Connect to Lawcus and complete the secure authorization flow, which will grant Eternal Pro permission to sync with your account. Once connected, your Lawcus contacts automatically appear. Select the clients you'd like to create digital estates for, and then click Import Selected Contacts. Eternal Pro now provisions their secure digital estate, applies encryption safeguards, and sends the client an invitation to begin. So in just a moment, the contact will appear in your dashboard. And you can see the clients are there. Now, let's send data back to Lawcus. Pick which client you want to send data over for, say one that's mostly completed their journey in a green status, but you can pick any client. Click the export icon, choose Lawcus, and select what you'd like to export. You can export the intake questionnaires, asset inventories, or both in one or multiple formats. Click Export, and Eternal Pro securely delivers the files directly into Lawcus. Now switching over to Lawcus, and going to Contacts, you'll see the newly created contact, Joan Doe, and the newly created matter, Joan Doe Digital Estate Intake, along with all the associated documents already organized and ready to use. That's it, a fast, secure, bidirectional integration designed to fit seamlessly into your existing workflow.